Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam missing downloaded files error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your Steam application. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Storage. This section allows you to manage and configure your storage drives where Steam stores your game files. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the local drive that is experiencing the missing downloaded files error. This helps Steam identify which drive needs attention and repair. Now, click on the three dotted lines and select Repair Library from the options. This initiates Steam's built-in repair process, which scans your library for any corrupted or missing files and attempts to fix them automatically. Give it a moment to complete this process as it checks through your game installations. While you're still in the Settings menu, click on Download in the left panel. Here you'll find various download-related configurations. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the cache can resolve conflicts caused by corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with your downloads. If the error persists, there's an alternative method you can try. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This takes you to your game library where all your installed and available games are listed. Right-click on the specific game you want to fix for missing downloaded files, then select Properties from the context menu. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section contains tools for managing the game's installation. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature compares your installed game files with Steam's server files and replaces any missing or corrupted files it detects. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. If you're still experiencing the issue after trying these methods, there's one more solution. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Show Hidden Icons in your system tray. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam to completely close the application. After Steam has closed, go to your desktop and right-click on the Steam shortcut. Click Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions which can sometimes resolve file access issues. Once Steam opens with administrator privileges, try your download again and the missing files error should be resolved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.